Hello friends, Ramesh sir here. Today we'll be starting mathematics of 11th standard. So let's see the first chapter today. Okay, so we start with chapter number 1 here, sets, which is very basic in 11th mathematics. So the first question is, what is a set? That's the first question, right? So in general, set is nothing but collection or group of anything. Collection or group of anything. Now anything we usually called as here objects in sets. Objects. Now what we mean by anything, for example, here I'll take a collection or group, collection of all boys in the class, all boys in a class. So this is one example of a set, collection of all boys, all girls. Then one more, you can write collection of all teachers in a school, for example, in a school. Then we can write collection of numbers, for example, rational numbers and so on, positive integers and so on. So these are examples of sets. But here, more precisely in a collection, if I say collection of intelligent boys, collection of intelligent boys. Now if I say that the collection of boys in a class, then very easily you can list out the boys. But if I say collection of intelligent boys, brilliant boys, smart boys, now it's not easy to list out all such intelligent boys. Everybody is intelligent, we know. So it's difficult to say that one is intelligent and one is not intelligent. So this word intelligent, brilliant, such words are not properly defined. So here in a definition of a set, we add one more word, which is called that collection should be well defined, should be properly defined. So we say that here a well defined collection of anything is called a set. Right? That collection should be properly defined, well defined collection, not just collection. So as per our definition, this collection is not a set, not a set. Not a set. Now here objects are usually called members or elements of the sets. Objects are called members or elements in a set. Elements in a set. Members or elements in a set. So members may be boys, members or elements may be girls, members or elements may be teachers, anything, right? Members could be anything in general. That's why we called here as objects or anything. And all members of a set must be written within this bracket. So this is a standard symbol for a set. All members must be written within this two curly braces only. So this is a symbol for a set. Let's take set A equals to, usually sets we denote by big letters. Set A equals to, for example, I have this 4 members, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we note 3 things about the set. Number 1, members should be separated by comma. One member, then comma. Second member, then comma. Third member, then comma. Members should be separated by comma. Next, order is not important. Order of members is not important. Members is not important. Like the same set I can write like this also, 2, 3, 1, 4. I can write like this also, 1, 4, 3, 2. So this is same as this is same as this. Whether I write this or this, both are same things. And third thing, that is repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed, is not allowed in a set. Repetition of members, of course. So I cannot write like this 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Usually this should not be repeated. So you drop this and you just write like 1, 2, 3, 4. So such repetition is not allowed. This is same as you just write 1, 2, 3, 4. So three things: members should be separated by comma, order is not important, and third thing, that is repetition is not allowed. One more thing, we use this symbol. This is read as belongs to. This is a Greek letter. Like here, 1 is a member of A, so I'll write 1 belongs to A. 2 is also member of A, so I can write 2 belongs to A. 3 is member of A, I can write 3 belongs to A. 4 belongs to A. But 5 is not a member of this set, so 5 doesn't belongs to A. 6 doesn't belongs to A. 100 doesn't belongs to A, and so on. So this way we use this belongs to symbol. So now we have methods of representing sets. So sets can be represented in two ways. One is called roster form, or it is also called listing method. So here members are listed explicitly, and the other one is called set builder form, or it is also called the property method. In a roster form, what we do, we write the members explicitly. Like for example, I'll take here set A equals to like A, E, I, O, U. Suppose I have this 5 members. So immediately you must have realized this A, E, I, O, U are nothing but what? Vowels in English alphabet. So I can write the same set A like this. X. X means any member. This is read as such that. I mean satisfying this condition. What? That X is a vowel in English. So here I have not listed the members. What I did, I have used the common property among the members of the set. So this representation of a set is called set builder form. Set builder form or property form, whichever you call it. And here you have listed the members, so this is called the listing method or roster form of a set. Okay. So every set you can represent in two ways. This is just way of writing the set. Whether you write this or this, both are same things. One more, if I take B equals to, suppose this numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now what is this again? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are nothing but the prime numbers. First 4 prime number. The same set I can write like this. X. This is read as such that X is prime number. Now is this list of all prime numbers? No. For example, I'll write X is prime less than say 8. So if you list all prime numbers less than 8, you'll get 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is the set builder form. This is the roster form. Roster form here, and this is nothing but the set builder form here. Set builder form here. So this way we represent set in two different ways. Okay, now let's see. It's time to see the first simple exercise 1.1. So what is the question here? Which of the following are sets? So you recall set means what? It should be well-defined collection, and justify your answer. So here first question is the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. So this you can list out very easily. You know there are 3 months. For example, here you can list out very easily. That is January, then June, then you know June, then you can write July. So these are the 3 months. So this is a set, because you can list out this very easily. So this is a well-defined collection. Second, collection of 10 most talented writers. Now, how do you determine talented? It's very difficult to say that one is talented and one is not. So this is not a set, not a set. Reason, not well-defined collection, not well-defined collection, not well-defined collection. Third, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen. Now again, the word best is not well defined. How do you say that one cricketer is best and one is not best? So same answer here, not a set, not a well defined collection here. So if I write here, not a set, because it is not a well defined collection. Next, collection of all boys. Yes, it is a set, right? Yes, it is a set, because there is a well-defined collection. You can list out all boys in your class. Collection of all natural number less than 100, which also you can list out. So answer is again, it is a set. Yes, it is a set. So you can see this. And similarly here, next one more, novels written by writer Munshi Premchand, which also you can list out all the novels. So answer to this question is yes, again it is a set, because there is a well-defined collection. Now the remaining 2-3 questions you will try yourselves. We go to question number 2 now, second question. So here question number 2, you are given a set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you are asked here to put this appropriate symbol. So here in the second question, we have A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first question, 5 blank A. So 5 is a member of this set, so 5 belongs to A. Second question, 8 blank A. Now 8 is not a member of this set, so it doesn't belong to it. Third question, 0 blank A. Now 0 is not a member of this set, 0 doesn't belong to it. Fourth one, 4 blank A. Now 4 is a member of this set, so 4 belongs to A. Okay. Now third question, that is you are asked to write the set in a roster form. Roster form means what? You are going to list the members of the set. So your first set is A. You are given by set builder form such that X is an integer and it is between -3 and 7. Which property you are given? You are given set is in this form X, such that X is an integer and it is between these two numbers excluding 7. So we are going to list the members here. So here first integer is -3, then -2, then -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Less than 7, so up to 6. So this is by roster form or by listing method. Second example, if I say B here, X, such that X is a natural number less than 6. So here members B would be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? This is by listing method. This is by property method. X is a natural number less than 6. So you have these members. Okay. Now if I go to question number 4 here, fourth question, That is, you are asked here to write by set builder form. Set builder form. So the first question is here, a equals to, for example, 3, 6, 9 and 12. You are given these 4 members in this set. This is by listing method. So I'll write a equals to, I'll use the common property. You notice that these are the multiples of 3. So I can write like this, for example, 3x such that x equals to, for example, here I can write where x is natural number less than, for example, 5. So first natural number is 1, so 3 into 1 is 3. Second natural number is 2, 3 into 2 6. Third natural number is 4, so 3 into 4 12, less than 5, so you'll get the same set. This is not the only way to write. You can write some another way also, just you need to observe the common property. So this is a representation of the same set by this method. Your second example is, let me call that as B, for example, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Right. Listing method here, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So I can write B equals to, if you notice this, these are the powers of 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. So I can write like this, 2 raised to x such that x equals to here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This also can represent. So I put 1 here, 2 raised to 1, 2. If I put 2, 4. If I put 3, 8. Or you can write like this also. That's up to you. 2 raised to x here, where x is from 1 to 5 and x is an integer. So this is the another way of representing the set. Okay, try for the remaining. I'll go to fifth question. Now list the members. That's the question for remaining. That is, you are asked indirectly by listing method. So here first question is a equals to x such that x is an odd natural number. So now this is infinite, as you know. You cannot list all. So I can write like this, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Then we put dot dot dot. Right? That means this goes on. This is not finite. We'll see later on. This is called infinite set. Okay, this is by listing. Once we put dot dot dot, that means this goes on. This never stop, because set of natural numbers, you know, it's infinite. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Fourth example, if I say in this question, there D equals to X, where X is a letter in the word loyal. You are given this word. So you list out the letters here. So first letter is L, then O, then Y, then A and then L. In case if you have repetition, you drop it. So this way we can list the members of the set D. And now sixth question, you try yourselves, you will see.